Okay, so I ran out of fountains to play around with right now. And this is all I'm left with. Morning Glories, the big ones by Mega Banger. My phone doesn't, I can never get it to concentrate. The 36-inch bangers. This is what I have set up, y'all, because I ran out of fountains to play around with. I put them all right here on this crate right here. We're gonna light these bad boys up one by one each, all at the same time. Let's do it. Since I ran out of fountains, this is what I'm gonna have to do right here. Whoa. Let's see if I can hit them all. Oh. Whoa, kids. If you're watching, wear safety goggles. If you don't got safety goggles, use your sunglasses. Whoa. Okay, there it goes. Whoa. There it goes, come on. Whoa, look at that. Yeah. Come on, baby. Whoa. Oh, I thought that one was gonna light. There we go, come on, baby. Whoa. Oh, the other one didn't go. It went loose. Whoa. Look at that though, wow. Man, that's a pretty long time too. Dang. Oh, look, it went. I knew it was gonna end up starting back up. Wow. All right. I know I play around, but I'm gonna actually jump over it. No, I can't do it. Look at that. It lasts so long. These things last a long time. So this is what I do whenever I run out of all my fireworks. You're left with sparklers. But you don't want to hold them, you put them down like that. That looks nice. Look at that. So smoky. Whoa, look at that. Bright. Very nice. Look at it go. The one that started late is catching up so fast. The one on the left side is catching up. What the heck? Out of all things, you came over here near the fire, Bug. He's just going on. He's probably enjoying. The Bug's enjoying the fireworks. He had to come near the fireworks. Watch the fireworks show. This is probably his biggest fireworks show we ever seen close in real life. Look, he's chilling watching it. What? Oh no, he's looking the other way. He's scared. Cricket. Look at that. This thing lasts a long time. Dang. Look at this thing go. Oh, the one on the far right went out. It didn't even go all the way, but I'll try to hit him again. Who's gonna win? Well, I don't think they're burning all the way through. So I'm gonna try to hit these up again whenever that one's done. I might try to squeeze through there right now. Huh. Oh, I don't know what it is, but the smell of fireworks is it just smells wonderful. See, I don't think it burned all the way. Whoa! Oh, I messed that up, but look at that thing still going. Yeah, these things are bright. Man, these things last about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. That was a yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was a 6-pack, basically $1 each. It was $5.99. There we go.